I think we can. Let's start.
Okay. Hi everyone. Hope you all of you had a great weekend. So regarding progress of the website revamp, we have our design team has completed the full design of the website. So around 50% of the entire designs. It's the elephant in the room. So we have addressed that. And progress like we are other designer Sankit is also working on the design system part of also. So that is what we have worked on the last week. Coming to the current week, we'll start designs of other pages like community page, super Shardeum page. The full fledged designs of those pages also we target to complete in this week. And in parallel, we'll complete the design system as well, the design tokens for dev team to get started. So that is the target for the coming week. So yes, we'll get started with the demo of homepage. Kiriti, you there?
Yeah, yeah. You
Okay,
can
I'll
share
share
the
my
screen
screen
once.
and you can. Yeah. Okay, can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, Kiriti, over to you.
You're doing. Can you switch the application that you're sharing?
I am showing the application. Not sure why it's not coming. Okay, let me try again. Sorry.
Yeah.
Can you see now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, Kiriti, over
Uh,
to you.
m- m- I've changed the text a bit. Can you reload the page maybe?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the first version of the homepage we worked on. So in the first section, we have a title text, subheading, and a CTA to directly join the community. So the whole point of this website revamp is for people to be informed of what's going on with Shardium and get them involved with Shardium by being part of the community. So the main CTA everywhere will be surrounded, around the community. Hello, somebody speaking. Hello, Sharath, were you saying something? Okay, okay, yeah. So we have an animation on the right side. So that will be the main animation for the homepage. Below that, we have a section dedicated to showing stats of Shadium perform in the future and all that. How many community members do we have and stuff like that.
So these are estimated figures just to grab some eyeballs.
Yeah. Yeah, so in the next section, we have a subtext that kind of tells more about Shadium and CTF for white paper. And also, we are planning to have a video explaining, what Shadium is and all that.
Okay. Kiriti, will this be rotating this word or?
Yeah, yeah, it will be. I mean, that's the
Okay.
plan, but yeah,
So aim is that when somebody scrolls, this part will be rotating, network by the people.
yeah.
So there is a video which can be played about shading a quick video.
So this is a section where we explain some unique aspects of Shadium. So it's a very interactive section. There are headings, and when you hover on it, you can see the subtext of the heading. Yeah, yeah. This is again a section that tells the tokenomics, and it is also interactive. Yeah, yeah. Next, we have different use cases of Shadium. I think this will need some bit of work. We are planning to add some kind of illustration in the background. So yeah, yeah. this is a roadmap section that tells kind of uh, yeah what we are doing and what we are planning to do in the next in this year. Yeah, this is the team section.
So here also again, community is a major part. 50% is to community in the layout.
Yeah, the no more will directly take you to the community page. Yeah, news section.
Quick question. We are also going to have a community page, right? Which will show the. Have we designed that page?
No, not yet.
Not yet, but
Wireframe is there, Anvay. Wireframe is there. Full-fledged design, we'll do it this week. That's a coming part.
Okay, okay. One more kind of suggestion. We have a roadmap that section, right?
Right.
So since we have the plan anyways, can we? I think we should add that in the GitHub board also, which we have created for tracking the roadmap of the entire community throughout the year. I think Subbu, do you have the exact details of this?
Yes, I do have.
So let's work together and get this on the GitHub board also, so that even the GitHub board also it gets updated.
Sure, yeah.
God, oh, cool. Yeah, Kriti, you can please continue. Thanks.
Yeah. So the news section, which is horizontally scrollable as well. So we have join newsletter section and a link to the blog also directly at the end. Yeah. So this is the footer where join the community will always be part of the footer. There's two different pages and stuff. Yeah. So that's the homepage design. If you guys have any thoughts or initial impressions, you're welcome to share.
Kiriti, just one thing. This globe, this is a video or this is a GIF?
It's a video.
Video. Okay. Maybe can we have GIF or something else, because video.
Yeah, we can do it. We can do it either ways. Whatever is comfortable with you guys. That the devs, we can give it in that format. That's not an issue.
Okay, great.
So another point. So this design, is it mobile friendly? Because a lot of the audience will come through mobile links like Telegram.
We haven't designed the mobile version of this, but that has been kept in mind while designing it. The layout and stuff. It's we'll address the mobile designs in the coming weeks.
Sure.
We might have to tweak a few layout things a bit, but we'll address that also.
Yeah, exactly my point. Because for example, this left to right layout, I don't know how this will look in a long mobile screen, because where will the globe go?
That wouldn't work. The globe will be in the bottom or something, and we'll have the text center island or stuff like that.
Maybe it becomes the background of this, because it's pretty subtle, but it looks great actually.
Yeah. We can do that also.
I think what we can do is once you have now that the homepage is ready, right, for the desktop, we can right away work on the mobile designs first of the homepage itself, and then maybe move on to other pages, so that once the page is ready, it is ready for all the resolutions. By the time dev picks it up, dev knows how to build both the resolutions. So will that work with you, or how do you want to go ahead with it?
Yeah, makes sense.
We can do that, Anvay. Yeah, not a problem.
Cool. All right, that's great. I think maybe you can put it up in the wider community group also, this design. And is there a way to put any feedback on this link itself for the community?
I think you can. Can you press escape?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can add your comments here.
anybody, right? Without any signing in.
Yeah.
What's the estimated go live date for the site?
We haven't put a date yet, but I think the design completion date is right. Balaji, you have
Yeah,
any date?
yeah. Yeah. So we are targeting to complete all designs, mobile, tablet, 100% of specs by April first week. And then I think development team has already started working on POCs, and then development team will take it from there. Maybe we'll take April to complete the entire website or something like that.
Awesome. Looks great, guys. And if we need to make changes to the content in the future, it'll just be through GitHub, right?
Yes.
Yes. It will be mostly through a GitHub or a tool called as Crowdin, but we have yet to finalize it. Awesome. Kiriti, please do post this link in the community so that if there's any feedback, we can address them.
Yes.
Yes, sir. We will share and yeah. After this call, I'll share it.
Cool.
Awesome. And
Alright.
do the developers know the proper structure for the web pages, like the heading structure for SEO purposes, like ensuring you use the H1 properly and different levels where
We will
necessary.
be mostly following the semantic HTML structures and
Okay, I think that's all from homepage point of view.
Alright.
Sanjay, you want to talk about anything on the design system, or is it early right now?
Yeah, so we're working on the token thing that I explained last time. But yeah, pretty much foundation stuff.
Okay. Maybe in next
We're
demo.
we're taking a community approach with the design system as well. So whatever changes I make, I add to a change log so that everyone is updated.
Sure. Okay, I think that's all from the design side. You want to take over for tech updates?
Yes. So we were working in two pods. One pod was on the tech end. One pod was working on finalizing how do we our localization pipeline to be set up, so that from day one itself we will have the website in multiple languages and not just the website. Everything that we build in the future will also have this pipeline set up. So Shailendra and Apurv were a pod that was researching this, and they have an update. Shailendra, you want to give an update or Apurv? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, maybe we can come back to them again. Okay, so that was one pod, and the other pod was working on that comprised of Anurag and Devan. They were working on the implementing the design system and how can we make our designs, the entire system scalable from day one, and what would be the best approach to go ahead with implementing these designs. So they also worked on a POC, and Anurag has a quick demo to show us. Anurag, you want to quickly share your screen and show it?
Sure, but not. It shows you can't stream to this channel. Maybe Balaji can share the screen. I'll post the link.
Yeah, Balaji, you have the access, right?
Yeah. Arun, I think you might also have access. Can you check once?
Let's check. Just give me a minute. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yeah. So this was the kind of POC that Anurag here. Anurag, you want to walk us through?
Yeah, sure. Actually, for last week update, Divash and I were looking into different libraries,
to build our design system with. We tried stitches out dev and style component, etc. Also, our team member suggested us that we should build our design system on top of an existing UI library such as Material UI, Chakra UI, etc. So a few problems with other libraries was that you need to. It's very hard to override styles, right? So we have decided to move forward with Chakra UI. Our research is almost 80% done. This is the POC for Chakra UI. We just wanted to see how easy it is to add responsiveness and theme and build the custom components. So this is the POC. For this week, we are targeting to build the smaller components as well as sync up with design team to get the theme and start working on the actual homepage. Your screen is flickering. I don't know if it's just for me.
What happened? Can you see my screen or not?
Yes, I can. I can see your screen. Yeah. Maybe it's my internet connection. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah. So this was the quick POC that the design system pod had done. Shailendra, are you back or Apur?
Yeah. So I have sent you the link, Anvay.
Where are you?
Slack. But I'm having some network issue. So if you could show that. Apur and I am having issues with our network.
Actually, I've got my audio back on. Maybe if you can guys hear me, can you?
Yes.
Yeah, Apur, can you?
Okay, so I can maybe.
Anvay, I have shared you the link. Can you just open that up?
Yes.
Yeah.
Opening it up. Okay. So again, this was another POC. Can you hear it? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So this was another. Apurva, you want to walk us through what you did?
Yeah. So this is what we came up for localization with Next.js, completely unstyled, just bare bones. What feature we need. So if you select Anvay, if you select the drop down to any other, your screen went black.
Oh, can you see it? Anybody else see it?
Yeah. Now I was able to see it for a second, but.
Yes, I can see it.
I'm also not able to see the screen. Maybe Apur, it's our connection.
Oh, okay. The screen is just loading.
So for me, it has loaded actually.
Okay. Maybe I can just.
Anvay, maybe you can just walk through with that page because we are not able to see. We are facing some network connection.
Hello.
You are audible.
Yeah.
Yeah, Anvay.
Some internet issue. Sorry, my bad. Sharing it again. Yeah. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So selecting the particular language is handled by Next IIT Next package, and it also handles the routing which is already provided by default. So as you can see, if you select any other language, so you'll see a backslash with a France for this case. So this is how it's being handled. And also plus there's another feature which is directly built in from Next.js, that let's say if a user's browser's location is in some other location where the local language is French. So let's say if that's the case, this our package and the website will directly use that language and show the default language as French. Same goes with any other use case, let's say Tamil or Hindi or any other language which we can add.
So this the current feature which we have this does the language changing. The part which is left is integration with crowding, which will give us the translated JSON output, which we need to figure out. That's the only thing pending from this POC.
Cool. So the next part is to integrate the crowding service in this, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Yeah, let's do that in the next week and complete this POC entirely so that we can integrate the localization completely.
So I have a question in this. Yeah. So if the URL is getting appended with the locale, for example, /fr or /hindi, so will it not conflict with the actual routes? For example, Shardeum /home.
No, so I think what in that case, what would happen is either it will go at the end of your default route, or it will be added just before the sub route of your domain.
Okay.
Maybe we can test that, but I'm sure it's already that case is already handled as a React I18 routing is out of the box. So
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
it's
got it.
to handle it. Yeah. Cool. Any other questions? Other feedback? All right then. Yeah, that was the update from the tech and product side. I think there will be another marketing weekly sync up also after this in the marketing updates channel. So yeah, do keep an eye on it, and let's catch up again on the next Monday, same time. Thanks everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thanks, everyone.
thank you.